Thank you again. Welcome to my channel, and as regular, congratulations to all to subscribe my channel, and please click on the bell icon to get the next update. And maybe this is the fifth, third, fourth, fifth or sixth video. Today I will discuss about, as I promised, how we will earn without any skill. Okay, so how we can earn without any skill? See, I told you we will work only social media marketing and few focused things on social media marketing like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. Okay, and our main focus is to grow this platform. See, I will organically grow and manage your Instagram. I will do organic promotion marketing for YouTube monetization. So our main focus is to make the promotion and growth of this social media account. Promotion and growth. So if you will search on YouTube, you will get a lot of huge tutorials on how to grow YouTube channel, how to grow Facebook page, how to grow Facebook account, how to grow or how to organically promote, how to promote your Twitter account, everything blah blah. But I will show you the way how you can make money without making any skill. Okay, see some gig I'm showing you. I will do Instagram marketing or promotion for organic growth. I will not teach you the internal things of Fiverr, like how to make the gig or how to arrange the gig. You will get a lot of video about that. See what service he is providing. $50 up, 5% subscribe to save. Silver Instagram organic growth for 7 days. We will do Instagram organic growth for 7 days and you get a huge order, 74 orders in running. What I will do, follow users by hashtag, competitions and locations, like and interact of the photos. This is the service he is providing. Let me check another gig. No, not this. Manager. Super fast viral YouTube. Okay, for getting viral on YouTube, you should get a lot of views, comments, and share of your videos, and getting the suggested suggestions from other videos, suggested videos. You will do the SEO, website traffic, Spotify promotion, Instagram booking, everything. Okay, this is the way they are earning money, but we will do in different way. Okay, on the next video we will discuss about the way.